With the help of MACD and the unique settings of the second indicator, I managed to catch these profitable trades. And I'm going to show you how to use this strategy. I tested it on many time frames, but I found the best results on a 30-minute chart. But there was a big problem when I first used this indicator. I could not catch the profitable trades. In fact, the majority of MACD signals were false, and I wanted to catch trades like this. In order to improve my strategy, I decided to understand the MACD. I will try to keep it simple. The total game is about crossover of MACD and the signal line. Here I have changed the MACD line color into blue because I don't like the red color as it mixes up with the momentum bars. To keep it simple, the dark green color represents the bullish momentum and the dark red colors represents the bearish momentum. There was one more problem. I needed to know when to go long, when to go short. So I thought to test this with 200 EMA. Now with 200 EMA, the MACD signals were great. You could see there were many winning trades in a row, but it wasn't just 200 EMA on the same chart that allowed me to get these results. The reason is the EMS settings. As a result, the MACD gives you false signals when the trend is paused or it is in reversal, just like this. So to fix that, I went on to change EMS settings to 150 in length on a 2-hour chart instead of same chart. And here is the improved strategy. Basically, when EMA is placed on the same 30 minutes chart, it cannot really tell you the overall picture of the trend. Using this strategy, I took many trades and I will show you overall win ratio. However, during this strategy, I learned many important lessons. First, when you see a pattern like this on MACD, be prepared for the trend reversals. Here MACD is showing divergence. In a downtrend, the price is making lower low, but the MACD is making higher low, which can be early signal of a trend reversal. Additionally, you can add the trend line to help you decide the early trend reversal. This is the overall result of improved strategy.